Hello! Today I'm going to show you the best way to clean silver at home. This can be jewelry as we are showing it here, but it works on any genuine silver. Here you can see two silver necklaces. The one is still new and shiny. The second one is a bit older, and as you can see, a patina is formed on it over time. The patina is caused by compounds with sulfur from the air or your skin, which then settle on the silver as a dark layer. There are two common cleaning methods most people use now. The first is a silver polishing cloth, but with that you can hardly reach all the fine gaps and spaces you have. The second method is toothpaste and a brush, but this might cause scratches, especially if you have a pendant with stones or similar elements set into it. In my opinion, the best method is a water bath with baking soda and aluminum foil. Alternatively, you can use regular salt instead of baking soda. To do this, take a bowl. Pour about 500 milliliters of warm water into it. Don't use hot water, because it can damage any adhesive bonds in the jewelry. Warm water is ideal because it helps the baking soda or salt dissolve quickly. Then add a teaspoon of baking soda to the water and stir until it has completely dissolved. I already set this up beforehand, so we don't have to wait. Now take a piece of aluminum foil. I've cut it to fit nicely on the bottom of the bowl. If the aluminum foil has two different sides, place the shiny side facing up. Then just press it down until it lies flat on the bottom of the bowl. Next, place the necklace inside. I'm only doing one half so we can see a before and after comparison. Please don't just toss the chain in the bowl, as it might form a tangled ball. Spread it out as neatly as possible like I'm doing it here. This ensures maximum contact between the silver and the aluminum foil. If the chain is overlapping a bit, you can use a fork to spread it out a little. In general, flip the silver piece once to maximize direct contact with the aluminum foil. Then wait about 10 minutes. You will end up with a nice effect. Finally, take it out and rinse it with clean water. The chain has now been in the water bath for 10 minutes. A clear change is already visible. It's significantly lighter than before. You could repeat the treatment once more to achieve an even stronger effect. This is how you can achieve the best results at home using the simplest method. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.